What's popping? Brand new whip, just copped it. Focus outside. 14th floor, you don't get it twisted. Anyways. We going oh, my boy gonna start YouTube. Anyway, so y'all know it's my birthday weekend. I just want to show y'all this little hotel tour that I got for you. Wow. I'm gonna start, bro. I should have did this shit last night. Ooh. Hello. Anyways, y'all, let me give y'all this little tour real quick. So, there's no microwave in here, right? And we got some food we want to hot up, and they finna send the microwave to the room. Bougie. I did not know they wouldn't do that. Anyways, let me show y'all what's popping with this restaurant. This restaurant looking like $1 million shit. I won't even cap to y'all right now, but let me flip this real quick. Check that out, y'all. It's looking lit. I ain't gonna cap to you. The glass goes all the way in, all the way in the damn shower. Y'all like, what the fuck? What the hell? And look at this one right here, Ricky. Oh shit. This shit lit. This might be the thumbnail. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Anyways, yeah. What's this? Well, yeah, this restaurant lit. The only problem with it is just a door, like, it can't close. And the lights are like, slap that shit up. Ooh, this motherfucker busting y'all, but I didn't start vlogging for y'all yesterday. I was gonna go live. I need some chopsticks. I won't cap to y'all. I was gonna go live and show y'all like the room or whatever, but I did not do that. But just no, the vlogs are coming right now. We're finna go get some food. Well, I don't think we're finna get no food. We're finna go to the mall. I'm trying to do some public interviews at the mall also. I don't know why, like, I just feel like public interviews finna blow me up, you feel me? So I'm gonna do some public interviews, but we finna hit the streets of Chicago right now. I was too high. I was too fried yesterday. You know, like fried chicken? Yeah. That's why I didn't vlog shit. Come here, I gotta get this. What's poppin'? What's the good news?
You have a $10 credit for alcohol.
$10 credit.
You got a $10 credit downstairs on your account for alcohol. So you can choose either one, but it has to be one bottle. They each $10.
Everything here is $10.
No.
The alcohol.
Yeah, the alcohol is $10.
Well, that got me some Remy right there. I ain't want no more Remy.
Which one you picking?
We don't know yet.
Which one you pick? You gotta take.
We don't know yet.
Huh?
We got 2 more days.
But she did say that the fridge is censored, so if it would have moved, anything will move, or like that's gone, it would shoot downstairs to the lobby.
Oh, so we took them things out last night?
No, I told her that. I took them out last night just to look at them. I didn't drink them.
Okay. Okay. Damn. Damn. We took everything on that motherfucker.
I asked questions.
Well, yeah, y'all, that bad stuff, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah.
My bad's not
Yeah, you know the YouTuber, we gotta work, so we got that shit set up right there. They got hella mirrors in there. I'm shocked they ain't got one right there to show when we smacking them girls' coochies. I ain't gonna capture you, but yep. Yeah, that's about it for real. I'll see when we hit the streets. I'm finna, like, y'all know what time it is, right? 10. Damn, bro, look at my camera, bro. Look. Who you calling, motherfucker?
Someone's here.
I'm good, man. What's up? Oh, it's a microwave? Where do we put it?
Hey, how y'all doing?
Hi.
Where y'all want me to sit?
Sit right here.
Okay.
Right here. That's good.
Oh, I'm trying to see where you got to pull up. Probably over there. Probably better right over here.
I'll move it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thank you, man.
All right, you're welcome, man.
Woo.
Have a good day. Where y'all from?
Oh, I'm from Jamaica, yeah.
Huh?
I'm from Jamaica, though.
Okay, y'all have a good day, man.
Yes, sir. I just had to do that. I don't know why I did that, but I had to do that. No, why you gotta bring the microwave to the room? Why not leave it in the room? Come on, bro. Bro, these are not half, bro.
People do not get when I'm out of.
We got some water right here, people. Water. Come on.
Water.
This water smells sweet.
Sweet ass water, huh?
Yes. My pants are talking to me.
That's some good water.
All right.
That's some good water. Good water. I still haven't boo-booed, y'all. I told you I was gonna boo-boo. I still haven't boo-booed that shit. Hear what? That's a word, man. I'm just recording this to remember this moment. I ain't gonna capture y'all. My lips are crusty. Don't look at that, ladies. You hear me? But it's like, you know that feeling, bro, if you just sit on the toilet, right? That motherfucker cold. That seat cold, bro. But yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this camera off right now, though. We have 1 drink of water from the start of this morning. You know, 1 drink of water. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah. The seat kind of getting warm now, though. It's not cold no more. You hear me? It's what's up. So, just want to say, yo, I ain't enjoy my birthday this year. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, every year, bro, I just be at home not doing shit. And I just decided I'm gonna step out my house. And I took a road trip. Drove here for 4 hours and shit. And it's like, yeah, bro. Yeah. If you're watching this video right now, you're a real nigga. Big yesterday. Damn. What's the word? Oh, wait, wrong way. What's the word, too? You feel me? You dig what I'm saying. Anyways, y'all, so we boy dress right now or whatever. Slight. I dress like this. Why? Because I want to be free when I'm doing these public interviews, you feel me? If I do some public interviews, maybe stop in the street in the cold. And no, I'm not just gonna wear this. I'm gonna put this big ass coat on. Right there. Because it's cold as hell. And this dude matching me, bruh. You!
Gang.
Who wear Vans? Nobody. Reeboks, right? These are classics. Classics, you don't know what's popping. No, bruh. Nobody wears them old ass shit. Anyways, y'all, I'll tell you when we hit the streets. Cause I know y'all want to see the street. I know you want to see the street. So we finna get crack-a-lacking in a minute.
I need to wash my face
And shit. Ooh, baby, give me one more chance. This is a big moment, y'all. Y'all been waiting for this. Y'all wanted to go outside real bad. We finna go outside right now. Bro, what? A big ass hotel, right? Don't tell me why these elevators so small. Look at this shit. But they got mirrors everywhere. Whoa.
Yeah, to neck. Oh shit. What's up?
We gotta go back.
Huh?
We gotta go back.
September?
Yep.
Alright.
We did do a trick for your video.
We're done. I changed the whole outfit.
I'm trying to turn him into a YouTuber, but he doesn't want to be turned into a YouTuber. You feel me?
Not right now. This is a trip vacation. Vacation. What you forget?
Get your water bottle. Hey, what's up?
Oh, hi. Yeah.
This is the ground floor.
No,
Wait,
it's not.
no, it is not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, we going down. We're going. Sorry, bro. No.
We thought we were the only ones in this hotel.
Yeah.
Say it again?
We thought we were the only ones in this hotel. We didn't see no one else here.
No, there's a lot of people on the 8th floor. You guys on the 8th?
No, we're on the 14th floor.
Oh, nice. What's your view like?
Trash.
This is trash.
It's trash?
No, we're looking at a big Burberry sign.
I'm looking at other things.
Okay.
No, I was calling to say that I accept the application. I mean the invitation. So,
Look at this paint, bro. That's good shit. Bro, outside hella cold, bro.
okay. Well, that's cool. Okay. Give me
It's my big day.
let me know. Give me all the information. My phone for the disconnect. I'll get you the hotel.
Who's that? Hi, Haley. Bitch. Well, yeah, y'all, we downtown. The breeze blowing, but we prepared for this cold today. Yeah, you wanted to come out here in just the hoodie, right? The sweater, right? Yeah. Prepared for this today, though. It's not as bad as it was. Big ass pile of snow, y'all.
I'm sick of this.
Fuck!
Though.
Damn.
This is not like. That's why.
Oh, my guy over here working. He didn't even check. He didn't even warn us. He didn't say shit. He just tossed that motherfucking shit all on us. Damn. Yes, sir. Wait, D. I want my thumbnail right here. Right here. Get all of me in this shit. Like, go like low down. Go, stoop a little bit. Go down. Make sure my feet, everything in the background, the building, everything.
There it is.
Stoop down. Stoop down. You stoop down like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go back a little bit. Yeah. Get it now. Alright, let's go. You got all of me in there?
Yeah.
Alright, boy. Thank you, boy. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. This kind of looks like LA. I ain't gonna lie to you. Well, no. LA more. Bumble clock! I had to do it, bro. I had to do it. I'm like, it's only right. You know, I'll do a video just going to different states just to say bumble clock. But everywhere, like every state. And title the video, I said bumble clock in every state. That would make sense, right? Makes perfect sense. Is it smart? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. But yeah.
Smart.
Where you going? Yeah, we should just go in his car. Yeah, ho! Damn, we ain't going to the top floor no more, so it's not gonna feel like we're going high. But yeah. Bruh, this is gonna be $100 for parking, bro. Okay then. Okay, bye. Where my car at? This is not the floor that we parked at.
Yes, it is.
Ah, my baby. Here my baby go right here. Ooh, that dirty ass motherfucking car though. God damn. Ah, I still love her though. She's a queen. Ooh. Wait. Okay, smells nice.
I'm like, I told you, I spray colors.
I mean, nothing major. We just by the Burberry store, right, bro?
Right.
Yeah, nothing major, nothing major. You dig? Yeah. What are you looking at me? You ugly ass motherfucker. God damn. Bro, can we afford anything in that store today? What's today?
Yeah, we have a good fortune in that store today.
What? The drawers? That motherfucker, bro, we need to go in there. We staying across the street from that motherfucker.
Wait, right across the street. You stay across the street from Tim.
Come on, Metro.
Oh!
Who you blowing up, motherfucker? Fuck you looking at? Where's this car wash at though? I don't know. What are you doing, illegal shit? Okay. I don't see no car wash.
Is on the right.
Where? You got me messed up.
Is it behind this shit, like under?
Is it under the ground? I don't know where I'm going. I'm just driving. I'm lost. Whoop-de-whooped.
Hoopty scooped.
She.
Like some rich people shit. Yeah.
We could do shit. We just driving. We like, what? You got the time. Yeah, we need to walk the street for real, bro.
For real.
If it was hotter, we gonna do it regardless. Bro, this shit looking good. I'm driving like I know where I'm going. Wait, stop. Hold up. Yeah. That, bro, I only got the last half of the shit. That's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. Damn. Oh, this way was driving at and we just got here. Boy, you don't see my car right here, boy. You trying to do? Got going on, boy. Okay. Shit, casual. Casual shit. You thought I was
Does it
funny?
say Broadway?
Where?
Right here.
Oh, spreading the news.
Yeah, no, she's my Broadway.
Broadway in Chicago. That's what it
James M?
says. Oh, you trying to go? I'm sorry, there's no crosswalk right here.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm breaking this light. I'm finna get a ticket. The cop's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I hope I don't get caught.
Hell, I ain't
You know, that's the only reason why I stopped.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I know what the deal is.
So only more reason why I stopped. I was finna wrap this motherfucker up. Ski. Wait, what? Oh, you can't stop on the street. Okay. Yo, people. Why I saw this homeless dude, right? I'm not sure if he's homeless, but you know, people be finessing the game out here. But I saw this one dude, his sign says, hungry, what?
Hungry as fuck.
Hungry as fuck. Right? Now, why would you put the effort on it, sir? You put hungry help.
He being honest, shit.
All you have to do was put hungry help. Now, me reading that sign and I see the big F on that, bro. I'm not gonna give you my money.
This a food court?
There's some free bikes and shit. Who finna ride bikes in this weather, bro? Huh. They got us messed up, bro. Bro, these people driving like, bro, I'm not from here. I'm not driving like that.
Another theater?
It's a hotel, sir.
Nah, you missed the other part of the theater.
Oh. That's crazy, though, y'all. Boy, I would hit that nice little Audi for
That
your
do not be
ass.
playing.
Let me stop, bro. I'm playing on her. Hi, what's up? You looking hella cold there, bro. Everybody car dirty. Why should I clean mine? I'm clean. I'll definitely clean when I'm going back, though.
Hell yeah.
Left coast, food and juice. Self-working. I'm gonna tune in when we hit the mall, y'all. We finna go to the mall. I'm finna do some public interview, but you know, continue the vlog there, wrap it up, then start another one, then another one after that, then another one, then another one. Yeah, this car smelling very, very high gradious. High gradious. Is that a good word? A good word. Look at this. This casual Porsche truck that's driving behind me. Casual shit. That's crazy. Casual. Damn, that's a Bentley behind. Oh, casual shit. Casual shit. Casual Bentley behind me, bro.
Oh, who went there? I know
Casual
somebody
shit.
famous in that bitch.
Casual shit. Casual shit.
And I can't even see in that motherfucker.
Casual shit.
I know somebody famous in that bitch.
Casual shit.
I'm gonna be surprised if it's somebody from Black King Chicago.
Who that's out here like? Oh no, I take it back. Oh, he's doing that Uber Eats with that bike. I thought I would see this shit in the movies, bro. Ew. Look, see, he's checking the phone and shit. He working. He making a moolah.
He made
Damn. Yo.
How cold it is? He making his motherfucking money up here.
Look at that Bentley. That shit hit, bro. I can't believe my eyes right now. Yeah, I think I'm finna park my car, bro.
Oh look, these
Be a
are
tourist.
all parking spots right here.
Over here.
Yeah, what this shit is all parking spots.
All paid parking spots, right? Why are you in the road? But yeah, y'all, I've been recording for like 4 minutes, bro. These vlogs gonna be, you know, I'm just gonna hit y'all with numerous vlogs for real. I ain't gonna lie to you. Post like 3 a day. Trust me, because I can't do that. See y'all when so many interesting things going on. I can video everything and talk all day.